Hello guys, this is your host Jose, and today I'm going to tell you about the confusion that I had with npm node, the versions, updating node, and so on. And so when I checked my latest version on my computer was 11, and when I checked on the official site it was 12, so I had to update my node. So I did the update by looking at different sites, and my node was updated to 12, but when I checked my npm it showed me 6. So literally it showed me 6. So I thought it should had 12, but why is it showing me 6? And I was very confused what was happening. So I checked the npm official documentation, and over here it says to upgrade, run that. So you simply need to run this. Trust me guys, this is the easiest way to do that. And just run that and click over here, and it shows that npm latest version is 6, whereas node latest version is 12. So whenever you feel confused, if your why is your node and npm are in different versions, then just check over here by going first to npm documentation and clicking on here, and then it will be written on here. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more of these kinds of videos, because as I'm like you guys, and whenever I feel completely frustrated, and when I feel, oh my god, I don't know this, what do I need to do, oh my god, this occurs me frequently. So these are just frequent type of problems that will occur in our life, in our everyday life. This that much I'll say about it. Thank you guys.